everybody, and with the start of a grill out season and the 4th of July coming up, I thought it would be more than fitting to make Mexican street corn potato salad. And for that I'm going to need 4 baked potatoes, baked and diced into about 1-inch pieces. I thankfully had a few left over from making dinner. With that I'm going to need about 4 1/4 slices of a lime, the zest of 1 lime, about 2 tablespoons of cilantro, 1/4 of a red onion. I use 2 ears. I also have 1 cup of mayonnaise and 1/2 cup of sour cream, about 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon each of salt and pepper, and about 1 tablespoon of dried chives. Last but not least, I have some cotija Mexican style grated cheese. Well, this shouldn't be too complicated. Let's go. Right, I've emptied the potatoes into a much bigger bowl. Be adding in the mayo and sour cream. Be adding in everything on my plate, which is cilantro, lime zest, and red onion. I put the lime slices aside for now. Or I'm sorry, the chili powder, chives, salt, and pepper. And about half of that cheese. And get this all mixed together thoroughly. I'm going to be putting this into the refrigerator for probably a good hour or 2. Alright, I've let our potato salad in the fridge. Topped it off with a little more of the cheese and some cilantro and our limes. Also squirted a little of the limes over it. Let's try it. Alright, first off I'm going to say I'm not usually one for potato salad, with the little pops of flavor in this one. Because of the street corn flavor and cilantro and the cheese just all make it amazing. I should have made a video on how I did the street corn at home, and if you want to see one, let me know in the comments. But you know what to do. Leave a like, leave a comment, tell me what you think about it. I hope you have a great cookout season and a great 4th of July. And I will see you in our next one.